Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel. My name is Shiva Krishnan and I upload videos related to data analytics and its tools such as Power BI and Excel and AI related videos भी बना लेता हूँ इस channel पे. Alright, so I also upload videos related to AI. So in case you are new to my channel, I would like to extend a warm welcome to all of you and to the existing subscribers, thank you very much for staying connected. कि आप लोग लगातार मेरे वीडियोस को देखते हो दैट यू गाइस कंटिन्यूसली वॉच माय वीडियोस एंड थ्रू दैट आई गेट अ लॉट ऑफ encouragement and motivation to upload valuable content on a regular basis, right? So thank you so much for that. So let's get started, all right, with today's video. And यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे कि AI का एक कुछ क्रिएटिव चीज़ों के बारे में, AI के कुछ पावर्स के बारे में. ओके, सो वी विल एक्सप्लोर सम ऑफ द पावर्स ऑफ AI. And here I have the set of predefined prompts under creative writing. Okay, so the first prompt, it says write a story about a character who discovers a hidden magical world inside an ordinary household item. Okay, so I'll click on new chat. I'm pasting this here. All right. तो ऐसा एक स्टोरी है, मतलब AI से कहते हैं कि ऐसा एक कहानी लिखो एक कैरेक्टर के बारे में जो अपना नॉर्मल रोज़ाना घर के आइटम्स में ना एक अलग ही मैजिकल वर्ल्ड ढूंढ ले. सो I'll hit enter and let's figure out. See, within seconds, मतलब कुछ सेकंड्स के अंदर ही इसने पूरा कहानी लिख दिया इसने. All right. So within minutes, within seconds, you just wrote a prompt to AI and AI came up with a beautiful story here. It says, enchanted teapot. In a quaint little town, there lived a curious young girl named Lily. She had a knack for finding wonder in the most ordinary things. One sunny afternoon, while rummaging through her grandmother's attic, she stumbled upon an old dusty teapot. And देखो मतलब अब ये when you read the story, right, when you clearly go through this, you find it there's a lot of figures of speech being used, and it is narrated in a very fairy tale kind of thing. यूजुअली क्या होता है कि इस टाइप का चीज़ों का ना एक नॉर्मल आदमी को आप दोगे तो वो पूरा रिसर्च वगैरह करेगा, राइट, अपनी थॉट प्रोसेस को गैदर करेगा. A normal person, a normal content writer will gather his or her thoughts, do some research, also then gather his or her thoughts, will take some time, and then write a story, or write a content. But here, all you need to do is just write a prompt to AI, and it will do the needful for you in a matter of seconds. But if you ask any established writer, okay, to come up with such a creative story, it will take some time for sure. And if you want, um, I'll ask AI the same prompt. Okay, imagine. I wouldn't say imagine. I would say okay. Um, okay, so what is the average time taken a normal content writer? Or I would say a content writer to produce a story like this. Let's ask. It says it'll take 1 to 6 hours. See, I told you, right? It'll take some time. Let's assume on an average it will take like 2 to 3 hours for sure. ओके। तो यहाँ पे 2-3 घंटे तो लग ही जाएंगे, यानी देखो, एक अगर वो वर्किंग ऑफिस में काम कर रहा है, राइट, किसी के लिए कंटेंट लिखने का काम है, तो उसका पूरा दिन इसी में चला जाएगा, एक आर्टिकल पे। इमेजिन दैट यू हैव अ कंटेंट राइटर इन योर ऑफिस, ओके, so that content writer will take almost an entire day because you have 8 hours working hours in a day, right? So it'll take anywhere between uh, 3 to 3 to 6 hours, right? Almost like 8 hours to produce content like this. Can you believe this? But for AI it took just few seconds. Now imagine, and if you are a content writer and if you have many prompts with AI, you can actually 10x your production or even 20x your production and be very valuable in your workplace. All right. And by the way, see, people who are into content writing usually they do this for magazines, websites, and several other you know publications, right? So there, I mean, you write a content with the help of AI by writing a prompt, you can actually multiply your production and then be more valuable to your place of work, to your employer. आप एम्प्लॉयर पे एज ए कंटेंट राइटर काम कर रहे हो, तो आपके लिए अगर एआई के आपके पास प्रॉम्प्ट्स हैं, तो सोचो कि आपका प्रोडक्शन कितना हाई होगा. एंड इफ़ यू आर अ बिजनेस ओनर who also wants to post a lot of content on social media, on website and everything, so you can leverage AI. आप AI को leverage करके आप अपना प्रोडक्शन को बहुत इंक्रीज कर सकते हो, और उससे काफ़ी इंगेजमेंट मिलेगा, ट्रैफिक भी मिलता है, बिकॉज कंटेंट चाहिए ना लोगों को, राइट? उसी के थ्रू तो आप अट्रैक्ट करते हो ऑडियंस को. सो यू दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द पावर्स ऑफ AI. ऑल राइट. So, thank you so much for patiently watching this video. Alright, do consider subscribing to this channel wherein I'll be uploading a lot of valuable content. ठीक है, इस चैनल को सपोर्ट करना. ऐसा ही लगातार, मतलब मैं इनफैक्ट AI रिलेटेड वीडियोस बनाता रहूँगा कंटिन्यूसली. ऑलराइट. एंड AI के थ्रू आप इतना कुछ एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो. यू कैन एक्सप्लोर सो मच विद द हेल्प ऑफ AI that it is just unbelievable. Okay, so it'll be very much wise and very much smart to